Hi.
She like, fuck it, it's too late for this. But it's not late for him. Shawty, stay away from me.
So welcome back to my channel. It's Piink.mango, as you all know and love. Today we're going to be doing a makeup tutorial on how to be a bad bitch. If you're new here, just stay. Like I said, I'm going to keep this cute and short and simple. Follow me on Instagram now. So yeah, this is going to be a nice little video on how to be a bad bitch with Gorilla Grip Coochie and a beat face. Okay, so for starters, you want to get the hair away from the face. So I got this little cute little spa band thingy, but jigger thingy. This was very inexpensive. I know it looks like $1 million because it got some diamonds in it, but bitch, this shit was $2 on clearance. I got this at Burlington. So yeah, don't let no one tell you that everything gotta be expensive, bitch. So I'm gonna do my eyebrows off camera. If you guys would like a detailed video on how I do my eyebrows, comment that down below right now. And yeah, so I'm just gonna do my eyebrows, okay, because I know I don't have any. Once the eyebrows are done and you know they're drawn on, they're good, they're great. What you're going to do, because we're gonna do an eyeshadow look, so this is gonna be like the bougie girl takeover makeup tutorial. All right, so we're gonna get the eyeshadow palette, and now you can use any eyeshadow palette. I only have one expensive palette. I'm only saying expensive because this is from Morphe, but I ain't buying Morphe. I bought it at Marshall's on sale. Yeah, bad bitch on a budget. It's a little destroyed because I have, you know, badass nieces, but this is what the palette looks like. You guys could get palettes from anywhere, to be honest. So we have our palette, and then you're going to need an eyeshadow base. My eyeshadow base is from Shein. I had bought one expensive eyeshadow base and it was from Urban Decay, but I don't got $34 to spend on a little tiny ass bottle. So we went ahead with Shein. Okay, so you're gonna get your bottle. You're gonna get your eyeshadow base bottle. You know, get as much of the base on the little brush. You're gonna go ahead and take the product that's on this and you're gonna put it on one of your eyelids. We're gonna do one at a time. Don't move too fast. I hope you're doing this with me. If you need time to catch up, pause the video right now. Cool. Get your eyeshadow base and you're gonna go ahead and just dab that hole on your lid. Don't put too much though, especially if you you know, a woman of color. You gotta make sure that you put enough because you want it to pop. So then you're gonna get yourself a brush. I don't know the names of brush, don't ask me. This brush is from, damn, this brush is from Dollar Tree. Before Dollar Tree decided to add 25 cents to their shit. That made no sense to me. Okay, so you're gonna dab the base all around. Make sure you get it nice and coated over the eyelid. Not too much. Not too much. Okay, so that's one eye. So now I'm gonna do another eye. Like I said, all the products that I use is not like, oh, you have to go to Ulta. No, most of them is from the dollar store, the hair store, Walmart. You're not gonna find me buying expensive makeup all the time. Okay, that's what the eyes are looking like. It looks a little sloppy. You might be like, oh my god, I'm doing it wrong. You're not doing it wrong, girl. I just do my makeup very sloppy, but it's okay. It comes out great. Okay, so you're gonna grab an eyeshadow palette. The two colors we're gonna be using are like neutral colors, so browns and beiges. You're gonna open up your palette, and the two colors that I'm gonna be using from this palette is this one right here. That's damn near done. And these two right here, probably this one, which is also damn near done. You're gonna get yourself a brush like this, or if you want to get one that's a little like, you know, wider. I don't know the names of brushes, don't judge me. Or one like this, and you're basically gonna grab the first color, which is the darker color that we're gonna go for, and put it on the outer skirt. So let me go a little closer. Oh, let me zoom in. How do you zoom in? Zoom in, damn it. It's not zooming in, so I'll zoom in. Okay, so you're gonna grab that color because that's gonna be your darker color. I really don't like this palette sometimes because it doesn't have a mirror, so I have to hold my mirror right here. But you're gonna grab that. You're just gonna just brush it. Just brush it in a circular motion. So you're just gonna grab that nice brown chocolate color. And you're just gonna go in a circular motion until you feel like you put enough brown. When you're doing your eyeshadow, it's kind of like you're eyeballing the whole thing. So, you know, this could really come out fucked up or like really, really good. Like so. And I'm gonna do the same thing to the other eye. Okay, boom. So now we're gonna go for the lighter color. I think it's gonna be a little easier if I use this flatter. It's not flat, it's like thick flat. So yes, I know we just put a brown, you know what I'm saying, on our face. What you're going to do is get yourself a makeup wipe, and you're gonna basically try to make like a half circle on your eyelid, but you're gonna wipe that amount off. Yeah, I know I'm doing it a little ghetto, but y'all asked for the tutorial, so that's what I'm gonna give y'all. Okay, so let that dry. Do the same thing to the other eye. Like that. So I did a little lazy, I'm not gonna lie. I just squeezed this bottle out and put it on top of this Blue Magic bottle, cause with the little brushy thing, it wasn't working. So we're just gonna use that. So okay, so once it looks like that, like I said, it looks messy, but it's okay. It's going to look great afterwards. Your eye closed. Get you another brush. It don't matter what it is. Just make sure it's a brush where you have control. And you're just gonna pat. You're gonna pat. Make sure this brush is clean as well. You're just gonna pat and basically just blend that product into your eyelid. So now you're gonna go ahead and go into your eyeshadow palette, and you're gonna make sure you're gonna get the light skin beige. Is that glitter on my face? Where did glitter come from? You're just gonna tap it in there. Just pack it on that hole. Pack it on there until you feel like, yeah, I'm a bad bitch now. So now you're gonna get yourself, you know, a little thick brush. And you're just gonna blend that into the brown so it's not any harsh lines and it doesn't look weird, you know? If you want to, go ahead and go back to your brown and just, you know, blend that in there. Okay, so now we're gonna do the other eye. Same thing. Repeat the process. You're gonna get your base, use your little flat brush, and you're gonna create that crease. All right, you see how you created your crease? So now you're gonna blend that. You're gonna pat, 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 pat. Don't rub. Pat, 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 pat. What color we're gonna get? Our light skin beige. And then you're just gonna fix it up. Like I said, there's gonna be some areas where it's a little messy. So this is how we're looking so far. It's not bad, but I'm not a makeup artist. After that, you want to do your eyeliner. So me, I like a very dramatic eyeliner. When you're adding eyeliner, it's like it turns you into like the baddest bitch ever. Ariana Grande got nothing on me. So grab your eyeliner. Like I said, this eyeliner is from Dollar Tree. I bought this at the dollar store. Stop. I hope I show this correctly, y'all. I really do. I really hope I show this correctly, because I do got a little arthritis sometimes and my hands start to just shake shit. So here's your wing. Very dramatic, very clean look. We're going for I Might Kill You. Once you're done with your eyeliner, you're gonna go ahead and get your mascara. Like I said, none of my shit is expensive. This is from Shein. This is probably the best mascara I've ever used in my life. So we got this skinny side, and then we got this thick side. We're gonna use the thick side. I think this is the one for value. I'm gonna just, you know, I know y'all know how to use mascara. Don't act like y'all don't know how to do nothing now. That don't make no sense. Y'all know how to use mascara. Next, you're gonna go ahead and find you some lashes, and I have a nice big bag of them. So I do have these lashes that I bought from Shein a while ago, but I don't like them because they're too fluffy. Now, I don't use eyelash glue like I should be. I use wig glue. Is it ghetto? Probably. Do I give a fuck? No, but it's still gonna get the job done. See why I don't like these lashes? Because they curve like it got scoliosis or something. Like, relax. Okay, so now we're gonna go for the face. So you gotta get your primer. Me, I don't have like sensitive skin, so I can use any primer, but this primer is from Five Below. You're gonna put the primer all over your face, because if you want luxury skin like me, you know, period blood and semen is not the only thing that keeps your skin clean. Use a primer. So the concealer that I use is your lovely hair store product, LA Pro Girl Concealer. Not too much. And you don't want to blend it right away. You want it to dry a little bit so you can make your way you know, so it could nicely blend into your skin. And if it's still like too wet and it's not like dry, the beauty blender or the brush that you're using to blend is gonna absorb it, and it's not really gonna be on your face. Okay, so once you have your concealer in your designated areas, go ahead with your foundation, and it's only gonna go here and like around your forehead area. But I'm not gonna do my forehead because my forehead's gonna be covered. Not too much, because you don't need that much. Get a brush and you're gonna pat, 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 pat. Only the foundation part. Make sure you're doing it right. Are you doing it correctly?
Like, I'm pretty as fuck. Just the other day, I heard a hoe say, matter of fact, what could a hoe say? With a face like this and a bitch this paid? Shit, what could a hoe say? Shit, I'm lit. How Casamigos, my pretty white toes, my natural afro, my naked wrist froze. Yeah, work, work, is that work, work, fix your face, bitch, you hurt. Outlet talking ain't making me nervous, feeling yourself, put down the purpose. Never go back and forth with a nigga. I'm too pretty, gotta stop that shit. I'm lit.
Damn, bitch. All right, so you're gonna go ahead and get your beauty blender, because this right here should be a little dry now. So get your beauty blender and you're gonna just, you know, pat, and you're just gonna pat and make sure everything evenly blends out. Make sure everything is blended. You see how it's giving smooth? You want it to be smooth, not cakey. Especially around the nose area, make sure you're patting like this. Don't bring it down, just pat like that. Pat your nose like that, because you want it to give that contour look. So this is what the face looks like, evenly blended out. If you do plan on contouring your face, I use this. It's from Walmart. It's called the Creme Contour Palette, medium to dark, because I am a medium to dark chocolate baby. It says contour. Hold on. It says contour on it, so I don't use the other two. This one at the end right here says illuminate. Obviously that's like a highlight, and then this says sculpt. I never use that shit in my life. Just use the contour and just make a nice little, it don't gotta be the perfect straight line, but this is just to contour your nose. I don't put too much because like I feel like I don't really need it, but just pat. Never bring the product down, just pat straight. Yo, he's spamming my story. Oh my god, who is this? Angelique Camaro, why are you spamming me? Sometimes I'll put like some contour right here with like a large like brush, to be honest, but I don't put a lot. Like I said, I'm not a contour babe, so I just get a little bit and just very lightly, because like I just feel like if I put too much contour, I'm gonna look like a man. Okay, so now I have my Fenty Beauty powder in the color Honey, and that's a lot, but this is what the powder looks like. This is not crack. I just get maybe like a brush like that's shaped like this, you know, like shaped like a teardrop. I'm just going to dab my brush, make sure there's not too much on there, and you're just gonna start pat. Look up, don't look down, don't look sideways, don't cross your eye. Look up. And make sure you get like where your nose is too, so it can help with that contour. So it can help, you know, sculpt that face. Dab, don't swipe. I told you this already. You already fucking up. You pissing me off. That is literally it. The last step. Last two steps are your lips and setting your face. I probably have like 5 expensive makeup items, but they last a long time. So this is the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray, and it works. It's all night.
All night, play me like a video all night.
You want to spray in a T or an X, or you can do both. So this is a T or an X. Okay, so when I do my lips, I literally use an eyebrow pencil from the dollar store. I'm done talking now. Like, I done told y'all the gems, everything I get is from Five Below or Dollar Tree. Why y'all asking me if I went to Ulta? Big bitches don't go into Ulta. One bottle of concealer, $34? $34. You're gonna get the little pencil and you're just gonna like outline like your lip area. I kind of have duck lips. I had they're useful for some things.
Damn, I'm in the hotel. Bitch, I'm missing you in that throat, yeah. I'm in the pussy, she like, oh yeah.
Get your mind out of the gutter. I was talking about food. If the girl is using lip liner for her lips, that's a red flag. Real bitches use eyebrow pencils. Why are you getting a whole different pencil? Use the pencil to use for your eyebrows on your lips. Why are you getting a whole lip? That's a waste of money. Y'all hoes got money to waste. I'm saving every penny. What I look like buying lip liner when I already got an eyebrow pencil that do the same damn thing. Then you could like make like lip combos. If you guys want a video on how to know what's a good lip combo for you, comment down below and I'll make a video on that too. But did y'all follow my Instagram? Oh, okay, that's making sure. I'm just checking in. I'm just making sure all the bad bitches, you know, they go hop over there to Instagram. And that's it. That was the last step. Now you're a bad bitch. Now you're giving run me my money. This is like, I feel like this would be the perfect makeup look if you're going to your sugar daddy's funeral, if you're going to your ex's funeral, if you're going to the Met, okay, not the Met Gala, maybe the MTV Awards, but not the Met Gala. If you enjoy this video, or if you want more videos of me doing my makeup and talking my shit, then just comment down below. Like the video, make sure you guys subscribe because we had 23,000 subs. And yeah, bye.
And she like, fuck it, it's too late for this. But it's not late for him. Shawty, stay away from me.